Alright, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. This video is a little bit late. I normally do these videos a little bit quicker. But I got a sticker. That's all. There we go. There we go. I don't have no tape over it, so I'm not showing no address. But that come from Mr. Robert C. Peters. He's out there in Sacramento, California. He is way on over there compared to where I'm at. I'm over here in the Gold Milton, Florida. But anyway, Mr. Robert has an awesome YouTube channel, and he's an awesome creator. And he's already got one sticker out. Whoop, that's this guy right here. And then, whoop, you see that guy right there? We'll talk about him here in a minute, but y'all don't forget about that guy. But anyway, he's got that sticker out. And of course, I got one. Y'all see that. But anyway, he sent me one of his new stickers. And he sent me one of his new stickers. It is pretty cool. But he sent a little letter to go with it. It says, "Here, sir, here's my new sticker." He says, "After several hours of trial and error, this is what I came up with." And he says, "You're the very first person for me to send one to, which is just awesome. I greatly appreciate that. That means a lot." He says, "But thanks for who you are and what you do. I wish much success for you, sir. I believe you are destined for great things. Keep up the good work." Well, that right there in itself means a lot. I greatly appreciate that. And I am definitely trying to put my mark out there with my roach clips. That is for sure. And I do greatly appreciate those kind words. They do mean a lot. But looky here, y'all. Yeah, get a little close. Yeah, look out. That's the new sticker. That's pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, but we're gonna put it right there. I'm gonna try to square it up right there in that little spot. That's pretty cool. I greatly appreciate that. Let me see. I'm gonna pause this while I try to get that ready. Well, we ain't gonna pause it. We just going with it. I normally fight forever trying to get these stickers. Ooh, I didn't have to fight this one. Hot dog. But yeah. All right, squirrel. There you go, Robert. That was for you, buddy. I normally fight getting the backs off of them stickers, so I thought it was going to take longer than what it did. And now I'm going to try to do this without jacking the camera around because it is on my dinky little tripod and I'm all up on top of the camera at the moment. But right there. Get the bubbles out of there. Perfect. Alright, y'all. Fat boy breathing all over the camera. I'm done. Whew. The camera was in my bubble. I was in y'all's bubble. It was uncomfortable. Alright, but anyhow. Again, that's Mr. Robert's new sticker. Y'all go check his channel out, Robert C. Peters. He's got an awesome channel. And again, he does awesome stuff. He's been doing a lot of cool sketch drawing here lately. I think that's pretty neat. But let me show y'all something he's really good at doing. He does, this is my grumpy pipe that he made for me. It's out of an olive burl. And got the, you know, if you know, you know. And if you know, you know. And then glass bowl to clean. And nice. And it's not glued in. I pressure fit mine in there. It just squeezes in perfect. Pop it out. There's one of the little 9-hole bowls. He gets them off the getting place. And yes, sir. It's awesome. But that's one of the things he does a lot of. He's got some cool carvings and stuff too. But I appreciated that pipe. But y'all go check out his channel. He does some awesome stuff. Got an awesome channel. He does a lot of lives too. Kicks back and talks while he's doing his drawing or his carving. Just depends on what he's doing. But yeah, y'all go check him out and give him a like, a follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. And then all these stickers up in here, y'all. This is a bunch of cool channels. It's a bunch to name off. I'm gonna shoot through them real quick. Got that from Professor Rusty, these 2 stickers, but that's Professor Rusty's channel. Y'all go check him out, it's a good channel. Dad Carves, awesome. Wowie's Workshop, 2 Brothers, 1 Vision, awesome. Ray and Sandy, awesome. Mr. Johnny's Lace, there you go, good channel. Miss Francis at Beatin' Crazy's Custom Creations, awesome. Mr. Mazzy, go check him out. Mr. Michael S, go check him out. That's Creation Dust, Josh and Casey at Creation Dust 777, good channel. Bear and the Boss Lady, good stuff. There's his Creation Dust other sticker, good one. This is my Carbon Fusion stickers from Jordy Johnson. He don't do sticker trades. I got these stickers back whenever I got carvings of his. Sean Brooks, Pit on Fire, Perry, Carbon Wizard, Deland, Handmade Woodworking, Sophie, Under the Bark, Josh, Electric Whittler, Mr. Roy, Timber Art Technique, Alan, Opath. Y'all go check out these channels. Rhinestone Suzanne, y'all go check her channel out. Everybody, and if I missed anybody's channel, I'm sorry, but I think I got them all. Starting to get a lot of stickers. I got Off Track Syndicate sticker over here outside my box on my lathe side, and another sticker from Perry. But yeah, y'all go check them out. I'm going to try to have a link for everybody's channel in my description on this video. But again, thank you, Robert. I greatly appreciate it. And I greatly appreciate them kind words, sir. That mean a lot. But y'all have an awesome day. And again, thank you, Robert. Y'all stay safe, stay laid back. And it's my job to be grumpy.